What's going on YouTube? It's CoinCoverage here bringing you a new crypto video. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin's dramatic crash. Also we're going to get into what the hedges were and to prevent these losses in your portfolio, and what you could still hedge with even though it's a little bit late, and also some news regarding Charlie Lee and his tweets that would obviously give good advice in my opinion. So one thing I want to talk to you guys about is how far we really went and what I predicted correctly. So, if we can go right here to indicators and type in moving average. Remember, guys, in my last video, I said that we potentially had a support at the 50-day. And so we're going to change this to 50. It's currently at 9. And you'll see how perfect this of a call this was. I mean, it wouldn't be very hard to call, but as I predicted, it was correct. As you can see, the 50-day moved right where this wick ended, and it bounced up and found support. Now it's at 13,000. It originally came down here to 11,000 in the 50-day moving average, curved around, found support, and then bounced back up. Of course, the day hasn't closed in price action, so obviously this price could easily still come back and find support on it once again. But now we know the 50-day acts as level support, which is good to know because now we can't really bounce lower than 11K at this point. Of course we could. It could break through the next time it falls down because a lot of people don't think this is the end. Although it recovered a couple $1,000s, we still seem to be in bear market, and the negativity and the FUD is still there, it seems like. As you can see, the 50-day, look for 50 days of support. If not, we can find a different moving average or perhaps see different levels of support here. I don't really see it falling below 10,000. Although it almost fell below 11,000, the 10,000 mark is definitely a big even where I don't see it falling. So yeah, pay attention to the 50-day, pay attention to the $10,000 even, and yeah, that's it for Bitcoin's price. Because we all know the sea of red is here. As you can see, a lot of the popular altcoins that were up for a while, especially IOTA, which is down the biggest, has fallen completely due to Bitcoin's dramatic crash. And as you can see, the variation of the USD value is going down for these coins. Since Bitcoin's price is going down, essentially, since all the altcoins are based off of Bitcoin's price, essentially, if you convert their Bitcoin price to USD, their USD price, as you can see, is all going down completely. We can take a look at Bitcoin's price too, and see that the decrease is a little bit lower just because they're maintaining the Bitcoin value. Of course, some aren't maintaining it, obviously, if the percentage is going down. But there is quite a few more that are maintaining their Bitcoin value and are simply just losing due to Bitcoin's correction. So, one I noticed I was doing really well was Ripple. And although I don't like to show Ripple just because I'm not a big fan of the coin, essentially past 7 days was just killing it. Especially as Bitcoin went down, it still maintained an increase in Bitcoin value and USD, which is even more impressive in the end. It's finally down now. It's still up 11% BTC value. This is still down in USD simply because of Bitcoin's correction, like I said earlier. But as you can see, it maintained good leverage over BTC, and if you were in Ripple, it's still at all-time highs basically, or maintaining these all-time highs. It hit about 130, but as you can see, we're still making good progress off Ripple. Another one I wanted to mention was Komodo, and I noticed this was a good hedge against Bitcoin too, just since it's been doing so well recently. This was also one of my picks for December, and it's been killing it. I picked it at $3, or high of the $3 range, and it's still killing it. So yeah, I'll make an update video on those coins later this month. Obviously, they took a little bit of a hit, but they're still all 5 of them should be up even after this dramatic incident of Bitcoin. We'll see if the price continues to drop. But anyways, yeah, this maintained a good BTC and USD value. You would have been good with this for the past couple of days, trust me. Komodo is a great coin as well. But yeah, guys, as you can see the global charts, we have seen total market cap just completely dramatic decrease along with Bitcoin, since Bitcoin makes a majority of the market cap. As you can see, the BTC dominance is at 44%. This is the market cap excluding Bitcoin, and as you can see, they're very, very identical. This is because altcoins follow Bitcoin whenever the price drops or increases. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for that. This is the past 7 days. As you can see, we've seen a dramatic decrease ever since the very peak of this run. But yeah, it's been crazy. it was around December 21st when this started. We hit all-time highs of about 650 million or billion-dollar market cap. That's actually a really big even as well. That it decreased from 650 billion seems to be the resistance, but it was more of Bitcoin's resistance to the 20K mark and the as you can see, the 20K mark up here alongside the support on the 50-day. Alright guys, so here's another little article. Bitcoin, a lot of it's making a lot of news headlines. I know I saw it on Twitter. When I went on Twitter, everyone's talking about it, and everyone's giving Bitcoin shit now. But this is obviously a healthy correction. It's nothing to be scared of. In the long term of Bitcoin, if you just stay in, do not panic sell. I'm telling you guys, do not panic sell. You guys will thank me in a couple months. And Bitcoin has another all-time rally. It'll be a few months. I'm not going to lie. It'll be somewhere in the quarter one of 2018. We'll see another rally that we saw like at the end of 2017. I believe 2018 will be the year of altcoins and Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. We'll see a lot of altcoins bump up to the top 5 that you guys would never think would ever be there, in my opinion, just because there's so much technology that's being implemented and working products that will be coming out in 2018. 2017, in my opinion, was the ICO phase, but 2018 we will kill it into terms of working products. Anyways, yeah, a lot of news headlines. Bitcoin, almost every other cryptocurrency crashed hard today. A crash is kind of a dramatic term. It's more of a correction, a dramatic correction. I wouldn't say it's a small correction, but it's definitely a big correction. Twitter, everyone's on Twitter talking about it. Essentially, yeah, they're talking about how all the big players are down 20 to 30%. CoinMarketCap.com, and it's basically the news is that these CME and all these stock Wall Street, they release all their futures basically, and basically everyone sold the news. It seems like there's nothing else to really look forward to for Bitcoin in terms of news. Everything already happened this year, so this is definitely around a good time for a correction, in my opinion. You should have taken profits when Bitcoin was above 15K, 17K, 18K, because this was coming, guys. This was definitely coming. This wasn't going to last forever. It wasn't going to be a gold rush until the moon. It was basically, especially because Bitcoin's value does not back up its current valuation. I still believe it doesn't. I believe we still need a bit of a decrease. I love Bitcoin to death. It just dropped below 13K, but the valuation of this does not determine the technology behind it. I'm sure it's the first cryptocurrency. Sure, it revolutionized the altcoins, cryptocurrencies as a whole, first ever. It's the gold standard, but in my opinion, it's just too unscalable to really reach these highs at the moment. I do love Bitcoin. It should serve as a gold platform for cryptocurrency, digital gold, but I don't think people really understand that completely yet, even though it's been said 100 times. I believe there's other cryptos in the market that serve as the different forms of cryptocurrency use, as in real life use, or just simply smart contracts or whatever else you want to put it. So Bitcoin, I believe, is the gold standard of cryptocurrency, and you guys should believe that too. Anyways, Charlie Lee, who sold all his Litecoin recently, also said this is a good time to step away from the screen, decorate your Merkle tree, water your bloom filters, celebrate Cryptmas with your family. It will all be waiting here next week. Happy everything. So basically, he's trying to say, just don't look at your screen so much. I know everyone has been. I have been. Just because all this market has been moving so fast, so I've been paying attention to it. But this is a good time, guys, to step away. Let everything settle. Of course, watch your boy CoinCoverage as he uploads daily. But this is a great time, just to accumulate cash on your side job and just put it in whenever you can, especially on a dramatic sale like you're seeing right now. So, because we've seen how much these coins can really go up and how much Bitcoin can push the limits. So this is a good time, guys. Especially everyone's going to say to sell or panic sell. In my opinion, you should just take it easy. Just wait it out. Be patient. That's all about the market, is patience. I've learned that completely. You got to be patient. That's like the #1 trait that you could be successful with, is being patient in this market. Alright guys, this is your boy CoinCoverage. I'll be back out for another video tomorrow. Let's hope it's a little bit more green in the market. But anyways, hope you enjoy the weekly update. Not much to talk about except this big Bitcoin dramatic decrease that we had. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like. Throw me a comment. Let me see your feedback. I want to know what type of videos to make for you guys. So this has been your boy CoinCoverage, and I'm out, guys. Peace.